Meet Maya and Daniel. Maya solves complex mathematical problems with impressive accuracy. Daniel explains ideas, makes connections, and reasons through unfamiliar situations. Their teacher, Miss Elena, holds both notebooks and thinks carefully before answering a deceptively simple question.
Miss Elena is asked a simple question. Who is more intelligent, Maya or Daniel? The question sounds easy, but before she answers, she pauses. She knows one classroom performance cannot decide the full answer.
The question is difficult because intelligence is not easily reduced to one classroom performance. Psychologists describe it in many ways, but several ideas appear again and again. So before deciding, we must ask what we really mean by intelligence. Intelligence has been described through 5 repeated ideas: learn, adapt, reason, solve, think abstractly. These are ways of understanding intellectual functioning, not a checklist that fully defines any learner. The first ability is learning. A learner takes in new information and understands it. Maya reads an unfamiliar rule about numbers and grasps how it works. Learning is the entry point of intellectual functioning. The second ability is adaptation. When the first strategy fails, the learner changes approach. Daniel tries one path, notices it is not working, and adjusts. Adaptation is intelligence responding to what the situation demands. The third ability is reasoning. The learner compares pieces of information and reaches a careful conclusion. Maya weighs 2 possible answers and picks the one that fits the evidence. Reasoning links what is known to what follows. The fourth ability is problem solving. The learner works through an unfamiliar problem step by step. Daniel breaks the task into smaller parts and finds a route through. Problem solving turns confusion into a workable plan. The fifth ability is abstract thinking. The learner works with symbols, patterns, and ideas that are not directly visible. Maya sees a hidden pattern in a set of numbers. Abstract thinking reaches beyond what the eyes can see. Now watch Maya and Daniel work together on one unfamiliar task. Maya spots a numerical pattern. Daniel questions the first approach and suggests another. They compare, adjust, and connect ideas. Intellectual functioning appears in action. Intellectual ability can also be expressed in different forms. The first form is abstract intellectual functioning. Sophia works with symbols, patterns, and concepts on the classroom board. She handles ideas that are not physical objects. The second form is concrete intellectual functioning. Lucas works with physical materials to build and troubleshoot a simple mechanical model. He deals effectively with objects, tools, and practical situations that he can touch.
The third form is social intellectual functioning. Monica listens carefully to 2 classmates in disagreement and helps them understand each other. She reads people, relationships, and social situations with care.
These 3 forms are not fixed labels. A learner is not permanently abstract, concrete, or social. Depending on the task, one learner may show more than one form. Intellectual ability shifts with the situation. Miss Elena returns to her notebook. She writes 2 questions. What does the evidence show? What else do I need to know? She gathers evidence patiently instead of ranking Maya and Daniel from one task. So what have we learned? Intelligence involves learning, adapting, reasoning, solving, and abstract thinking. It appears in abstract, concrete, and social forms. One classroom performance is useful evidence, but never the complete story of a learner.